Hello guys, this is Rachel here. Welcome to GlobeNet Education. In today's video, we will learn about balance sheet and how to prepare ledger. So, for balance sheet, okay. So first we'll see what is balance sheet. Balance sheet is not an account, it is a statement which shows liabilities and assets. At the end of the year, the balances of all the accounts relating to income and expenditures are transferred to profit and loss account, and the balances of remaining accounts are shown in the balance sheet. The balances shown in balance sheet are shown as opening balance in next financial year. Balance sheet is prepared annually or at the end of the financial year. In India, financial year is basically 1st April to 31st March. Like in balance sheet, we have two types of formats. One is horizontal, which is liabilities and assets. Left side we have liabilities and right side we have as an asset. The other view we have is vertical. In vertical, it is sources of funds and applications of funds. Sources of funds, all liabilities are shown. In application of funds, all assets are shown here. So we'll go to horizontal now. So first we'll see what is liabilities. What is there in liabilities? We have capital account, we have loans, we have current liabilities, we have provisions as well. So what is capital? The structure of capital or owner's equity differs according to the different type of business organization. For example, partnerships account, for example, limited companies account. Then we have loans. There are two types of loans, that is secured loans and unsecured loans. Secured loans are those loans which are accepted by the business firm against any specific or rolling assets of the company. For example, debentures, interest accrued, etc. Then we have unsecured loans. Unsecured loans are those loans which are accepted by the business firm without any charges. For example, short-term loans, for example, loans from subsidiaries, etc. Then we have current liabilities. Current liabilities are those liabilities which are normally settled within 1 year. For example, bills payable, sundry creditors, bank overdraft, etc. Then we have provisions. Provisions means any account is kept separate for certain purpose and also debited in profit and loss account and not paid in the current financial year. For example, provision for taxes, then proposed dividend, etc. Then now we'll see what is in asset side. In asset side, we have as fixed assets, we have investments, we have loans and advances, we have current assets as well. So what is fixed assets? Assets that are for long term assets that are for long term are called as fixed assets. Fixed assets are shown in the balance sheet at their historical cost less depreciation. For example, land, building, railway sidings, etc. Then we have investments. When any business firm invests some money or the other in business activities, then it is treated as investments. Then we have current assets. Current assets are those assets which are mostly settled within a year. For example, sundry debtors, for example, bills receivables, etc. Then we have loans and advances. When the loans are given or the amount is paid in advance by the business firm. For example, advances paid to suppliers, prepaid expenses, etc. Then we have miscellaneous expenditures as well. The revenue expenditures, but these expenditures are written off in more than 2 years because the effect of these expenditures is seen in more than 1 year. For example, deferred revenue expenditures, for example, preliminary expenses. Then we have profit and loss account as well. This is shown only when its debit balance could not be written off out of uncommitted reserves. So to get all the accounts here, we need to prepare ledger. So we'll go to create ledger. Suppose we take for example as Anil Enterprises. We take him as sundry creditors. Okay, so in this we can maintain bill by bill. If you are maintaining bill by bill, so we have to put yes, or you can put it no as well. So yes. Here we need to mention all mailing details, and here we need to mention about the Anil Enterprises details. Here we need to mention all details of Anil Enterprising. This is all mailing details. So name, address you can put as Mumbai. You have to put proper address over here. Maharashtra, pin code. If you want to provide the bank details of Anil Enterprises, you can put it as yes. If here you need to put all the bank details of Anil Enterprises, and if you don't want to, then you can just go to no. Your PAN number, regular, GST number. You need to actually put the real GST number and not fake ones. This is actually for the educational purpose. Then amount, will put it as 10,000. Name will take as Raj. 20 days. We can mention your bill number as well. It's not an issue. We can just mention 123 as a bill number. 10,000. Done. So we'll go back and we'll check in balance sheet. See, has sundry creditors come under current liabilities? So current liabilities amount is 10,000, and in asset side, as there is no other entries and it is not getting tallied, its opening balances comes as 10,000. The opening balance of asset side is showing as 10,000. So thank you guys. In next video we'll learn more about tally.